Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to swap BNB to Ethereum on Trust Wallet. In order to swap BNB to Ethereum on Trust Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go and log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, you can see there's this icon of swap. Press that. Next thing, you have to go and locate BNB Smart Chain. You could go ahead and press on the swap button, and here you could go and locate BNB Smart Chain. When you select, so from here you have to go and select BNB. After that, you have to convert or swap to Ethereum. So select Ethereum and enter the exact amount. And when you're done entering the exact amount, confirm the transaction by tapping on the continue button, and you'll have successfully swapped BNB to Ethereum on Trust Wallet. So that is how you can swap BNB to Ethereum Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.